Say all that again, 'cause I cut your head off. Okay, Kevin here with my buddy Ernie, who's filming, and my buddy Ernie decided he'd like to try out an under $100 chainsaw to use for camping. So we're going to test this thing out, see how well it does, see if it might be worth you carrying one of these with you. Battery powered chainsaw. Good and tiny 10-inch blade, which apparently has to be assembled. Between me and you, I probably could have done without the assembly part. Alright, as far as assembly, this came out of the box minus the blade, so you are going to pull this off. This is going to go in this direction with this part sticking out. You're going to go chain around the sprocket and maneuver him until it goes together. Then we're going to reattach the cover. That lines everything up. It is just that quick. Okay, one thing I didn't like about this right off the bat, and I understand this is a budget saw, but it's kind of chintzy on Black Decker's part, is that they did not include any chainsaw oil. So you get this thing, have it shipped in, and you can't use it because they didn't spend a few cents to include some in the package. So make sure you pick up some chainsaw blade oil separately when you get one of these. This is a 20-volt lithium rechargeable, and it does come from the factory with a charge. Okay, so one of the uses for this may be, of course, you know, if you're in a national park, national forest, state park, whatever, BLM land, you're really not supposed to cut anything down. Anything that's already on the ground you can, however, use. So if you're trying to build a campfire, you may not have anything good close to you in a busy place, and a quarter mile, half a mile away you find some big log like this. So rather than have to drag this all the way back to your campsite, you can run your little 10-inch saw out. That's good. Good. I'm so happy. I'm a happy camper. That is, I believe that will work well for exactly what you want to do. Well, when you go and you perceive the need for this, when you go, I want you to take this and use it. No. No? No. Okay, folks, a little insight into my line of thinking when Ernie asked if I wanted to take that saw. I have two vans that I travel with at different times. The first one is a minivan, and for it I have become the minimalist budget travel guy. I take exactly what I need. I've been on several long trips. I know exactly what I need to carry, what I don't need to carry, so I'm not spending my time moving stuff around. The other van that I use to travel is a larger van, full-size van, and for it I would have space to take something like that chainsaw, and it is valuable if you're into building campfires everywhere you go. So whether this product is useful to you, it's going to come down, like most things, to a personal decision based on
what you actually do when you're traveling. I believe in the next video, or an upcoming video shortly, I'm going to try to get into exactly what I do and don't carry in that smaller van, and we'll go from there. See you next time.